The word we'll be learning in this video is katai, which you will often hear when describing the texture of food or objects, body stiffness, or someone's reserved personality. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, "This bread is too hard to chew," "My muscles feel hard after the workout," and "That chair is hard and uncomfortable" in Japanese. Let's get started. Katai. Katai. The word katai means something that is physically hard or firm, like a rock or overcooked bread. It can also describe things or bodies that are stiff and not flexible, like tight muscles or a rigid posture. Finally, it can mean solid or dependable, describing a sturdy object or a reliable person. In short, katai means hard or firm. The first kanji means hard and stiff. Its readings are ko and katai. In the word koka, meaning coin, this kanji gives the idea of something solid and metallic. In the word kodo, meaning hardness, it directly names how hard something is. Try to picture a solid, unyielding surface when you see this kanji. Stubborn, inflexible. Atama ga katai. Atama ga katai. Hard, stale bread. Katai pan. Katai pan. Too hard to bite. Chew. Katakute kamenai. Katakute kamenai. Not very hard. Amari kataku nai. Amari kataku nai. Was hard, polite past. Katakatta desu. Katakatta desu. The most common synonyms of the katai is katai and katai. Katai, first, emphasizes being physically firm or fixed and is used for objects or abstract things like yakusoku. Katai, second, emphasizes solidity, shindaisei, keishitsu-teki na katasa, and is often used for hito no seikaku ya chujitsa. Both differ from the original katai in nuance. The first is about being firmly set, the second about reliability or formality. The most common antonyms of the katai is yawarakai and yawarakai. Yawarakai, general, means soft and is used for textures, feelings, or foods. Yawarakai, alternate, often emphasizes pliability or tenderness in physical tissue contexts. Both contrast with the original katai by indicating low firmness, flexibility, or a gentle quality.